back. I am so happy to be back. I am so sorry I've been slacking with the videos. I know I said I was gonna post at least 2 videos a week, but I was out of town this weekend and I wanted to vlog because I did go to Halloween Horror Nights, but I just got shy and I just couldn't. So I came up with this idea I found on Pinterest. I am gonna put a picture like right here, and it was very time consuming, but I love how everything came out. Everything was really good. I didn't apply false lashes. I just felt like I wanted all the attention on like the face, not the eyes, and I think everything looks so pretty together. I did DIY this flower headband. I hope I get back to the videos. I hope I get more consistent with my videos. I will try. Like I promise you will get a lot of videos the month of November. And yeah, I am so excited for you guys to see this, and I hope you guys recreate this because Dia de los Muertos is Wednesday. I hope you guys have fun, don't drink too much. So yeah, if you do want to recreate this look, keep on watching. Hey guys, this is my, I think, 100th time recording this voiceover. For foundation, I am using my Maybelline Matte Poreless foundation in the color True Beige. I am grabbing some rose mist water and spraying that on my Real Technique sponge and spreading it out with my sponge. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and applying that under my eyes, my chin, my lids, and in the middle of my forehead. I am now baking with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I am now grabbing my Too Faced Cocoa Contour Kit with a fluffy brush and adding some color to my face. There I am, killing it. Course. I am now grabbing my Tarte Amazonia clay with an E.L.F fluffy brush, and then I am highlighting my face with my Fenty Beauty highlighter, and now I am snapping into a very cute eye look. I wish it was that easy to just snap and whatever eye look you want on your eyes pops on. Moving on to the Sugar Skull, I am grabbing just any black eyeliner I had and outlining the circles of my eyes. Yeah, of my eyes. By the way, I am so sorry if my intro looks kind of dark. I'm still playing with the light and I guess I don't have it down packed yet. I did speed up a lot of this video just because I thought it wasn't necessary to show the actual timing of it, because it honestly took me like 4 hours to do this look. But yeah, now I am grabbing a very flat brush and my Jaclyn Hill palette and using the black color on it. I love the shade, like it's such a creamy shadow. I honestly love it. But yeah, I'm just going over the outline I did with my pencil just to darken it up a little. And I did switch from brushes. I used my Bobbi Brown brush, and I honestly don't know what kind of brush this is. I've had it for the longest. But yeah, I just used that to trace the circles out. I am now grabbing my Morphe E36, I believe it's called, and I'm using that to buff the inner part of the circles just so it can have a little bit more dimension. And I am using my Night Girl palette and I'm using the color All Nighter on it, and like I said, I am using that to buff out the inner side of my circles. I was super tired and hungry and I had a headache, and it was taking me so long to create that look. And now I am using my Morphe 507 brush, I believe. So yeah, with just any black eyeliner, I am doing like half circles around my eyes, just so it could look like a flower, I guess you could say. And then I'm grabbing just any face paint you have. I honestly don't know the name of it, but I grabbed it from my sister's crafts kit, and I am using a very thin brush, and I'm using the back of it just so it could be easier. So yeah, I'm dotting that around the black. I should have thought about it first, but I did it on the other eye. I did apply the paint before doing the outline. While I let that dry for a little, I am gonna go ahead and do the nose. I am guiding myself from the picture I got inspired from. So I am outlining it and then just filling it in with that black liner, but it wasn't very black, as you guys can see. Now I am using the same eyeshadow and the same brush I used to outline my eyes, and just put that on top, and look how it looks now. It looks super dark. So yeah, now I'm just adding some details on my face just to make it look pretty with my Stila eyeliner. So now I am doing the same thing. I am doing 2 small dots and the small lines, and then a little bigger dots on the other lines. Now I am using my eyeliner to outline the red dots. And now you guys can see how pretty it looks. I'm applying some red lipstick, and this is the color Ruby Woo by MAC. I love this color. It looks so pretty. So now I am grabbing my mascara and using the back of it to make my life easier. Just making a dot on my chin and letting that dry. So now I am moving on to the mouth of the skull. I am applying some translucent powder on my lips just to make them a little bit more matte. And moving on to the lines. I'm putting some black in the middle of my lips just so it can have more dimension and for it to look a little bit more real. Lines don't have to be perfect. So yeah, I'm just adding a little bit of more lines and making it longer. I'm looking at myself doing this and it looks so pretty. So yeah, now I am moving on to the flower on my chin. I am doing a dot in the middle of it just so I could have like a reference of where is the middle. And then I am outlining the red circle I did on my chin. I am now doing the flowers, the petals. I honestly love how my chin turned out. It looks so pretty. I am just finishing the flower and I am filling it in with the same eyeliner. If you guys prefer me talking during my video, let me know. But I just thought about doing a voiceover for this one because it was kind of hard to talk with the eyeliner on my mouth. So yeah, now I'm moving on to more details on the skull, and I am drawing a spider web on my forehead. By the way, I'm sorry I didn't show when I made a red dot in the center of the spider web, but yeah, I just grabbed the same technique. I grabbed the brush and dipped it in my paint and just dotted on my face. So yeah, I am finishing the spider web by applying the details of it. And I am sorry that I didn't center my face because this is probably annoying for you guys, but I just had the mirror very low. So yeah, I am almost done and it looks so pretty. I am outlining the red dot on my spider web. And that is it for the completed look, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I had so much fun recreating this. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.